Welcome students, welcome to the English Club where research comes to an end. Previous chapters we had learned about the basic parts of speech, noun, pronoun and verb. Today's topic is the adverb. What is an adverb? The adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. It means it gives an extra information about the verb or an adjective or another verb. Today, whatever adverbs we are using, they are very easy to identify. Suffix ly is the shortcut to identify the adverb. More than 90% ly suffixes are considered as an adverb. But we are going in detail about the kinds of adverbs. So there are n number of adverbs. So they are categorized in different sections. We will see it. The first one. First, adverbs of time. What does it mean? Which shows when. If we will ask a question with when, we will get an answer. So now, adverbs of time. Here we are getting information about time. We have heard this before. So this is before is an adverb. He comes here daily. He comes here, but how often? Daily. Now this daily, ly is an adverb. I hurt my knee yesterday. When did I hurt my knee? Yesterday. I've spoken to him already. So already is an adverb here. Now this is when. Ask a question with when, we will get this answer. Next. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency, which shows how often. He often makes mistakes. He often makes mistakes. Here it shouldn't be, it's a noun. Often. This is an adverb. So he makes mistakes, but how often? Often. Most of the time. Second, I have not seen him once. Once as an adverb of frequency. Frequency means numbers. The postman called again, once again. He always tries to give answer. Always. This is the adverbs of frequency. We will get an answer with this question. How often? Third, adverbs of place. If we will ask question with where, we will get the answer. Stand here. Where? Here. Place. Adverbs of place. He is out. Where is he? He is out, not inside. They are standing there. Where exactly? There. He is looking up. Where is he looking? Up. So we will get the answers with this question. Where? Fourth one, adverbs of manner, which shows how or in what manner. Most of the time these what we can say, the kinds of adverbs are used in clauses. We have a main particular question segment over there, clauses, adverb clauses, where all these things are very important and it will help you a lot. Adverbs of manner. She speaks. Okay, she speaks, but how does she speak? She speaks clearly. The Marathas fought, but how did Marathas fight? Marathas fight bravely. Ly. So this is the identification. The boys works hard. The boys works, but how? Hard. The story is well written. The story is written, but how is it written? It's well written, very fantastically written. Next, adverbs of degree, comparison especially, which shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Sohn is too careless. Sohn is careless. Sohn is careless, but he is too careless. Means the intensity is very high. Is there any better option? Any? Do we have anything? That is, the weather is very bad. The weather is bad, accepted, but it is very bad. Means the intensity very high. I am rather busy. This is rather is an adverb. Adverbs of affirmation and negation. You are mistaken. Surely. This is positivity. Yes, you are mistaken. Surely. ly. He certainly went. He went, but certainly yes. He is cocksure about that. He certainly went. Adverbs of reason. Reason means what? We are giving the reason behind the sentence or behind the action. He is hence unable to refute the charge. Yes, he had to accept it because he was unable to refute it. He therefore left school. There was a reason. That's the main reason he left the school. He might have done any mischievous thing. That's why he had left school. Now these are the adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, frequency, place, manner, degree, affirmation and negation, and reason. Now most important thing, when adverbs are used in asking questions, they are called interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are utilized whenever we are asking question. Now see, where do you live? We have already seen this. Adverb of place. Where do you live? Where is an adverb. When did you come? Question. When? Adverb of time. Why are you not speaking? Reason. What is the reason behind it? Why are you not speaking? How did you make this project? In what manner did you make this project? Adverb of manner. How many flowers are there in a vase? Adverb of number. 1 flower, 2 flowers, a bunch of flowers, 10, 20 flowers, whatever it may be. How high is Qutub Minar? Adverb of degree. How high? It's tall, taller, tallest, in that manner. So these are the important adverbs what we have been using to flourish our English language. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts, please put it into comment box, and if you have any kind of question related to this topic or any other topic, feel free to discuss either on this mail or you can call me directly. Today's adverbs topic is over. Tomorrow we will be dealing with the next topic, that is an adjective. Thank you very much.